I'm going to show you how to play split screen on Ghost Simulator 3 on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Now there's two ways that we can do split screen. We can do it when we start the game as well as when we are in the game. So first way is let's start the game first, okay? So let me go ahead and grab this controller here. And I'm signed out of both accounts now. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sign into the account that has the Ghost Simulator 3 and is this account here. So let me select on that. And then I'm going to go to Ghost Simulator 3 right there. And you can see the username this controller is signed to, the little photo there. So Ghost Simulator 3. We're going to go ahead and log in. Oops, sorry. Let me log in from the beginning here. Okay, so now we're in. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and do split screen. We want to use the other controller to log into our other user account on our PS5. Okay, you can see those little squares with the pluses right there. Once we assign this to a user, we'll be able to sign in like pressing and holding the square, okay? So now we're going to use this controller, okay? Not the main controller. We're going to use this one right here, and we're going to sign in. So I'm going to press that PS button. Oops. And now I'm going to assign it to another user, okay? So that's the main user that's on this controller. And this controller, I'll just go with this girl right here. I'll select on that. And now as soon as I do that, if you look at one of the pluses, oh, look at that one right there. It says hold square to join, okay? So I'm going to grab this remote that's signed in to that girl, and I'm going to press and hold square, press and hold, wait till that thing goes circles up, and boom, she drops right there. And now if you want to play the game, we'll grab the main controller, and then we can go right to play right there. And voila, you can see that we are in. Now the other way to do split screen, if you are already playing the game, like right now is, so I'm in the game now. So if I press this options button here, this top right here, that button, if I click on that, I can see this over here, okay? But what I want is, I need to sign in to my other controller, to the other account, and then I'll be able to hold like a, I think it's the square or the circle, okay? But it only says connected controller to play split screen. I have nothing I can select, okay? So I have to first go to this one here, this controller, and I have to go ahead and I'll press that PS button and I'll sign into this girl user, okay? Now, look that right there. Now it says invite a friend to join, hold square to start split screen. So I'm already in the game. Now I can do it this way as well. Just press and hold. Oops, it's this one. Press and hold. And voila, we're back in business.